Here at Unique Specialty and Classics, 1953 Buick Super Convertible. Wow. Hear them called three holders once in a while because of those Venaports. Look at the chrome spoked wheels, wide white walls. What a classic look. This car has had a repaint. Looks like it's very similar to Osage Cream, which would have been a Buick color back in 1953. This is also actually the 50th anniversary year of Buick. 1903, I believe the first Buick was produced. 322 V8 underneath the hood with the Dynaflow transmission. Highly touted V8 engine in 1953 when it came out. Let's take a look at this chrome. You know you want to see that. This car will definitely turn some heads. Any of your local roll-ins, local shows. Have fun showing this baby off. All right, check out the still pictures. You can see the underside. You're going to see some extra things that come with this. Interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This car does have power steering, FYI, and we're going to check out that engine bay here when we get around to the other side. I'm going to run up the top for you. We're going to take a look at all of that. Curb feelers. Classic look on this Buick. And look at the bright work. Really stands out. Interior. Tan vinyl. And this would have been a tan interior car according to the data tag. And you can see the data tag in the still pictures. I'll tell you where to check those out here in just a little bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'm going to run down a few things behind me here. A little bit of propaganda. Posters. Also a Buick book of facts and other things. Another convertible top cover, fender skirts, miscellaneous material for seating, carpeting, a little extra bright work, 4 wheels, also a box of miscellaneous, some filters, brochures, paperwork, and then 5 wheel covers. I suppose 1 for the one in the trunk and 4 other wheel covers. So that will all be in the trunk of this vehicle. All right. Back to the car itself. Take a look at this chrome bright work on the rear of it. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Up and down the driver's side of this car. 53 is just classic look. All right, let's take a little closer peek at the interior here. FYI, that center armrest and cup holder could be slid to the front, to the rear. That is not permanent. Just have it setting in the back. It's a little easier to do the pictures, get everything shot up. You can see the vinyl seating areas show well, as does the door panels, carpeting. You can see power windows. Of course, this is going to have the push pedal start, so push the gas pedal, it's going to start. Once the key is on, I did have the wipers working, horn worked. It has a little aftermarket radio setup. I'm going to show you that. That worked. So nice car to drive. The amenities working on it. And again, remember I said it had power steering. All right, let's turn the key right here. Show you, see it a little better. There you go. Key is on. You can see where the lights lit up right there. That's controls for a radio. Speakers behind the grate where the original speaker went. And there it is. Came on. Now if we want to start it, we're just going to push this foot pedal.
But it sure seems...
See how easily it started? I'm going to turn that radio down a second or two. We do know it works. A little aftermarket temperature gauge down there. So that was a cold start, FYI. I've also noticed amp gauge works over here, as well as fuel gauge. Went up to half here, And here's your oil pressure. So gauges are do appear to work. Radio did work, and then I mentioned the wipers also, so I'll show you that. You can hear how smooth that V8 is. Let's take a look at the rest of the dash. Of course, a little easier to see a stoplight, red, green, yellow in front. If you have the top up, it's going to reflect up above. Not that this windshield is that low, but again, see the dash is in nice shape. Now let's have the automatic transmission, which would be a Dynaflow Trans in 53. Better look at the interior. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Smooth running V8, sounds good. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I want to show you this engine bay first of all, then we'll show you that top and wrap up this video. Alright, hood popped, very stock looking under here. Also nice, clean, and tidy. There's your power steering reservoir. Looks like new hoses. Electric pusher fan up front if need be. But take a look at that engine bay. Like I said, this car will turn some heads. Top down, top up, hood open, hood closed. Be a fun one to show, no doubt about that. All that chrome, paint's looking good. Nice interior, nice engine bay. One less thing to check out. Let's take a look at that convertible top. I'm going to button it back up, shut it off. We'll run that top up and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. First of all, let's take a look how nice it fits. Up front, again, is a power top. Functions as it should. As you can see, tan cloth, or kind of a canvas cloth. Nice material. Free of holes, rips, tears. It's going to do its job as far as keeping you dry or out of the sun. Nice clear rear window. It is plastic, FYI, for folding down there. But again, in good shape. And how many times are you going to have this up? You'll be driving this car with the top down, enjoying a nice summer day. Again, look how nice it fits. There you go. You'll be able to see pictures of it from every angle too. Top up, top down in the still pictures, and those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1953 Buick Super Convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.